Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Another day, another week in the market. Market selling off a little. You got Donald Trump and Iran. They had a peace treaty thing was supposed to be going on, but Donald Trump rejected it. So that's where we're standing. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch recent videos. Share my channel. Also, look at this as another chance for you to get these stocks cheap. So take advantage of the pullbacks. All this nonsense gonna go on, man. The market gonna price all this stuff in, and we're gonna get back to rolling, man. So, all right, let's go, man. Let's trade. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Didn't sell anything. Did buy some dips today. We're gonna start off with PSEC. Last week they reduced their dividend from 4.5 cents a share to 3.5 cents. So that stock sold off for that reason. Got down to $2.37, paying 3.5 cents a share. So I did add me some more shares on here. This is gonna be a nice swing trade or a nice time for you to start a position in PSEC. All right, got PSEC, got PMT, Penny Mac Mortgage Trust. Got down to $10.90 today. I think they pay like 40 cents a share a quarter, 14.5% dividend yield, $13.81, 52-week high. This gonna go back past the $11 mark. I got average cost at $11.17. Like I say, pull back to 1086. So well, I'm at 1120 what? 1117. So I'm pretty much in a good place. Still gonna go add some of this right here. If it goes deep, I will add some more in this position. I added 100, 125 shares today to another position to lower my average cost in it. Gonna buy those 175 shares to buy it and sell them quick to bring down my average cost. I brought some FBY options on Facebook. Got down to $9.97. Right now it's trading at $10. I added some of this on to another position. Also pays out every week. We'll get this the position I use to just monitor the stock to watch it. Just add a little something on there. I got average cost of $9.81. MSFO. But since we're here with FBY, let's go look at Meta too. Meta got down to excuse me, $599.80. Up at 602 now. 52-week high is $796.25. Definitely add Meta on every day, along with MSFO, which options on Microsoft. I'm gonna go to MSFT next. Microsoft stock. It's got down to 1205. I picked up 50 shares. I had a buy limit order already set. I'm gonna go get some at this price here too. This gonna go back past the $13 mark, but Microsoft start moving, going up. That's when this gonna go up, man. This pays dividends every week. Let's go with MSFT since we with MSFO. Got down to $405.50 today. We're gonna read back up to $410.45, 52-week high, $555.45. We're gonna go with next LFT, cash flow every quarter, penny stock, cheap stock. Got down to $1.12, made a new 52-week low. When this hit 130, I'm gonna be selling all these shares, but I did pick up 100 shares. I brought at 112. It's pays out dividends every quarter. Got like a 16% dividend yield. Buy limit order in for 25 more shares at that price. It's a cheap penny stock dividend play. What else? I went and picked up some PFE. Pfizer, 25.82, 6.7% dividend yield. I'm thinking about making my exit on it when it does go back up. No, it's just a dividend play, man. They were saying it's a yield trap. One thing about Pfizer, you're not gonna get much growth. You might go to $32 at the max. Flower Food, I'm in swing trading this one, 11.73% yield, 52-week high, 1765. You ain't gonna see that again. They lowered the price target to $9, so I've been buying it between the $7.80 and $8.20 range and selling it at $9. $9 ain't getting a dividend yield at the same time. Once I make my exit out of it, I'm gonna start just leave it alone. Like I say, it's risky. Everything dealing with the food sector is risky right now these days. Wendy's back down under $7 mark. Glad I made my exit last week. Sold everything. Make sure I ain't got no buy limit orders, which I don't. But I think Wendy's gonna have good earnings for me on that. Wendy trades lower than J.P. Morgan. Turns bearish when it's downgraded to underweight from neutral. They can open up some more stores in China. Like I said, all I do is Wendy's swing traded. Wendy's not an investment. I got out last week. As you see, 527 shares. Sold all my position at 732. Got on out of it. Like I was telling y'all I was going to do. HRL, Hormel Foods. 1982 it got down to today, back past the $20 mark. You can get that 5.7% yield right there. It's a dividend king. Not gonna get a lot of growth out of it neither, just a dividend play. Gonna go with GIS, General Mills. Another one came on down. Dividend yield right now 7.04%. NVDA, I did get some NVIDIA today at $215. Got down to $213.89. Back up to $221. I'm gonna be swing trading NVIDIA. And you might want to look at NVDY. As this trades with NVIDIA, I got this on $2 a day recurring. So technically I'm up in this play. NFLX, Netflix, $86.28. $52-week high, $134.12. All it's gonna take is some good earnings to come out. It's gonna shoot back up. Look at NFLY2 options on Netflix that pay out every week. Yeah, this on $1 a day recurring. Can this come down some more? Yes, it can. If Netflix price falls some more, add another $2 worth on there. While it's cheap, WHR, like I say, this can go down to $35, which would be an excellent buy. Down to $41.37 today. Nice dividend yield, 9.9%. If you're not in this stock, stay out of it. It's risky. I'm gonna trade it. I'm gonna trade myself out of it and be done with it. ABR dropped hard today. Arbor Realty Trust. Another one I'm gonna swing. It got down to 670. I brought $1,000 worth at like 680, 682. Goes back up. I'm gonna sell those shares, rinse and repeat. And put another buy order in 670 for 50 shares. Got a lot of people upside down in this place, so they're gonna be buying it to lower their average cost. Took a FSK, they miss earnings. This one been getting whooped though. Let's go look at the 52-week low. It's 972. So at 10:30, I just buy this on red days. Pays dividends out every month. We did Meta. We'll go SVOL, 28 cents a share every month. Like this at 16 and under. I just go get $3 to $5 worth a day because you can't put this on recurring. Like I was telling y'all in the past, I'm going to be doing more swing trading this year. So all those PSEC, PMTs, and all those other stuff, I did when it add $3 worth of SCHD on for the day. So that's a long-term play. Got some SRLN, some more cash flow. Picked up $5 worth of this. Got over 7% dividend yield payout every month. Say 6.46 here. 52-week high 41.67, low 39.39. Jeppy. When it got me $5 worth of this today. Right now, getting that 9% dividend yield, 9.78 payout every month. PFLT came down to 882 today. It's at 880 right now. Pays 10.2 cents a share every month. Right now I got an average cost of $8.77. All right, need to sell some shares when it go back up. I'm gonna go with SLRC 1325. Just pay 10 cents a share every month too. Need another 52-week low. Gonna get this here. Just dollar cost average on in. Seems like it's coming on down some more. Let's see how hard it's gonna drop. We'll get one share. Get two. All right, next we got CMCSA, another stock I'm gonna get up out of. Comcast, when the time comes, $25.13. Got down to, that came back down. 52-week low, 24.35, 5.2% yield right now. Where I'm looking, I'm at 30.73. Add me 4 shares on. Hitting lower that average cost some more. KE Nike 42.84. It's got down to that 42.83. At 57.20. This is where you want to be buying Nikes. When it does decide to go up, you have some shares you can sell and take profit and rinse and repeat to lower your average cost. I know I'm not the only one down in Nike. American Express came down too, man. That's what I'm doing. I'm selling my bank stocks, throwing them to the credit card companies. 52-week low, 281.46, high 387.49. Credit cards not going anywhere. People gonna stay in debt. All right, let's go set out, watch our traps, man. We'll get on out of here. Finish this trade for the day. This ain't one thing, it's another with this war and stuff. So it is what it is. So I say buy the dip When it goes up, sell it. What you need to be doing, that's what everybody else doing. I exited my position in my Cash App account with Kraft Foods. I got a sell limit order on this one at $24.25. I'm going to exit my position and be done with it. Like I say, these food stocks, I'm just not feeling them anymore. They're too volatile, 6.68% yield. So you get a nice dividend until that time comes. GPMT, I think I got buy limit orders in, so they haven't triggered, so I'm not going to bother them. CHMI is one I'm watching. Hit the swing trade on. ARCC is another REIT, or Ares Capital is a BDC. And it has a 10.1% yield payout every quarter. It's probably going to be another one I'm going to sell. Like I said, I'm getting rid of them REITs and BDCs. A couple of them I'm going to keep. The ones I am are the ones that pay out monthly. Get rid of all that quarterly stuff. Starwood is another nice one to have. 1746, 1848. 10.82% yield. Pays out every quarter. All right, we got PFLT. Redwood Trust down 2.42%. Another nice quarterly pair to have. 12.93% dividend yield. Riverview Bank, man, I've been trying to get rid of this stock here for the longest, boy. This thing just want to trade sideways. 52-week look high, still 631. I'm trying to get rid of it. Got that sell order. That done expired. But it'll notify me when that start running up. Guess when they lower those interest rates, that'll make things better. DISO, I did put a sell limit order in at 1050. It did give me filled some of the shares, still owe me a couple shares, but that's what I did there. If we go below the $10 mark, I will add more. Glad, got rid of all the other Gladstone products. 1957 right here, got like a 9.53% dividend yield payout every month. Good right now with Earn. See Hood going up. I'm looking at Robinhood. I'm on videos on Bitcoin. They say next year, man, Bitcoin could be $200,000 a share. How y'all feel on that? Fiat down because Coinbase is up. Down 4.23%. That's when I add on to it. H2O was a water company I had when it sell this, get rid of this one here. I ain't gonna be buying nothing, man. Just be one less play. Sell all, done with that one. Now I'm up in profit. And that is it. Y'all take care. Enjoy your day. Go get your money.